So in this video we're going to look at professional services withholding tax. You'll come across this if you have any dealings with a government body like a university or the civil service, where you send them an invoice and they would hold a percentage of that invoice, and then you have to claim that back at the end of the year. So we're going to show you how you service that within Bullet, because the part they hold back will constantly cause you problems in your reconciliations. So there's a little trick you can do to get around that. So the first thing you're going to do is go in and create a bank account. It's kind of like a dummy bank account. So we're just going to call this here, and we're going to click on credit card, and let's say it was just with Bank of Ireland, and we'll put in a dummy number there. Okay, so this isn't a real bank account. Again, it's just so when you're doing your bank reconciliation, it won't mess it up. There won't be this 200 euros outstanding or whatever the amount is that they withhold. So let's go straight back in and we'll create an invoice and we'll run through the whole process here. So let's say we created an invoice for UCD. Let's say we did some training for UCD. I have a kind of mock set up here now. So let's say it was a day's training on Facebook and what it means to cats, and you charge them 813 euros and 1 cent. Okay, so that's a €1,000 invoice you sent to UCD. What will happen is UCD will send you back a payment of 800 euros. It's 20% they hold on to. You can find out more about the professional service withholding tax on the revenue website, on the percentages and all that kind of thing. And I'll include this link in our blog post. Your accountant will manage all of that on your year end. This is just a way for you to control it within Bullet. So let's run through the standard process. So we're going to send this invoice off and we save it, and in this case I'm going to mark it as sent. So we've already sent it. So let's say you receive a payment of 800 euros. We're going to come back in to record the payment. So here we are, UCD. They should be paying you €1,000. We're going to select the current account and we're going to put in the 800 euro that they sent us. We click review and we click save. So we can see here that that 200 euros is now left. So let's go back in and we're going to go, there's 200, and we're going to pop it into the professional services withholding tax account. Click review and we're going to click save. Okay, so if I go up to bank accounts, you're going to see here that I have 800 euros and 200 euros. So that means then when I'm doing all my bank recs against my standard current account, there's only going to be 800 euros in there from UCD. But UCD are withholding 200 euros of that payment. So we put that into this bank account, which you don't do any reconciliation against, and it just kind of sits there. And then your accountant can sort it out with you at your year end. Okay, hope that helps.